Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new session in which we will understand the concept of arithmetic geometric progression. So, what will happen in this thing? So, we will have like suppose we have a plus d, then a plus 2d, then a plus 3d dot 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 plus a plus n minus 1 d. So the first component will be in AP. If you'll observe, I wrote everything in AP. Now you will have r square, r cube, r power n minus 1. So you will have sense of AP as well as GP. Okay. So how will you handle these kind of situations? Try to understand. The moment you will realize that it is AGP, arithmetic geometric progression, what you have to do, the first step is to find out the common ratio. Okay. The moment you got common ratio, you have to multiply the whole series with the same common ratio and write the first term below next term and then do subtraction. You will keep on doing this step till the time you get a proper GP and then you are done. Okay, let's apply this concept into a question so that we can build better understanding. So look at this. Find sum of infinite series. So we have infinite series. Suppose it is x and it is given that it is 3 by 5 plus 5 by 15 plus 7 by 45 plus 9 by 135 dot dot dot. So if you'll observe, this thing is in AP. Okay, and then multiply by 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and you will get this series. Okay, so it will become arithmetic geometric series. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out the common ratio. So if you'll observe, you will have this 5 and 15. So how will you get 15? If you multiply by 1 by 3, then you will get 15. And if you multiply by 3, you will get this. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to multiply the whole series by 1 by 3 and write first term below the second one. So it is 3 by 15 plus 5 by 45 plus 7 by 135. Okay, we will keep on, and what we will do, we will do subtraction and we will keep on doing this thing till we get the proper GP. Okay, now look at this. So if we will subtract, we will be having, means what we will want to do, a minus b. So what we will have, 2x by 3. Now we will get 3 by 5 plus 2 by 15 plus 2 by 45 plus 2 by 135 plus dot dot dot. So if you'll observe from here, it is proper GP. Okay, and you know that we have to manipulate this question till the time we get proper GP. So we got our proper GP now. Now we can manipulate things. So we got 2x by 3 equals 3 by 5. Now if right now it is proper GP, and you know that sum of infinite terms of GP is a by 1 minus r. Is that okay? Common ratio is 1 by 3 now. So done. Now simplify things. So we got 2x by 3 equals 3 by 5 plus 2 by 15 multiplied by 3 by 2. Now you can simplify things, this thing, 5. So 1 by 5, 3 by 5 is 4 by 5. This thing gone. So can I write x equals 6 by 5? Therefore the value of x is 6 by 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can apply this concept into certain question to extract maximum benefit. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.